How do you let a model help doctors and students with biology without also helping someone build a weapon? Anthropic just published how they redrew that line. Let's read it together. Here is the post itself. We will walk it top to bottom and mark what actually matters. Start with the change itself. Anthropic retuned the safeguards so that far fewer harmless biology questions get blocked. The number matters here. In their own testing, biology fallbacks dropped by roughly 85% across product surfaces. Think about ordinary questions. Reading lab results, understanding symptoms, learning biology for a class. Those should now go through. There remains a hard line. Virology, toxicology, and molecular design still fall back to a weaker model. Consider the flip side. The very capability that helps a researcher could also help someone developing a weapon. Biology blurs the boundary. Making a live vaccine means growing the exact pathogen you're trying to prevent. Medicine shows it too. A blood pressure drug came from isolating the toxic components of snake venom. External assessment backs the caution. Intelligence reporting says several states still run offensive biological and chemical weapons programs. So they started strict. At launch, almost every biology query was blocked, accepting frustration rather than risking catastrophic misuse. Now the mechanism. Small automated classifier models read each request and decide whether it touches safeguarded biology. A firing classifier does not refuse you outright. The request simply reroutes to a less capable model. And here is the fix. They rewrote the rules the classifier follows, retrained it, and carved out benign uses. Here is the short version. Big picture. Safeguards were deliberately overbroad at launch, and this update pulls the boundary back toward benign biology. Second, the mechanism is a classifier that reroutes flagged requests to a weaker model rather than refusing them. Third, dual-use work like virology, toxicology, and molecular design stays blocked because the harm case is genuinely catastrophic. Finally, trusted access pathways are the promised next step for professional researchers. For more AI explainers read line by line, visit Standarity.com. Until next time.